welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I am so excited to be sharing with you a luxury haul. I have picked up a couple of things. I would say I've been collecting these items over the past couple of weeks. I have an item from Louis Vuitton from the new By the Pool collection. I have an item from Chanel, Hermes, and then I have a little something from Tiffany and Company that I picked up as well. I also picked up a couple makeup items, but I thought that maybe I would do a separate video on that because the Sephora VIB sale is coming up, and I figured maybe I would kind of combine those two and we can kind of focus that video on makeup, and then this will be like small leather goods, handbags, that type of thing. Oh, I also do have a bag from Saint Laurent that I picked up as well. So I thought rather than doing individual unboxing, I would do like one large luxury haul for you guys. It's so much fun. There are so many new collections and so many pretty pieces. I was trying to be good, but for some of these items, I just couldn't help myself, and I think you will see why. And I do have one more item that I did pick up from Louis Vuitton. It's just a little something. It's from one of the newer collections. However, it has not come in yet. I checked with my sales associate the other day and he said that it might take a couple of weeks. So stay tuned for that, and I will be sure to do a dedicated video as soon as I get it in. So we are going to have, it's going to be a long one today, you guys, a very, very long one. Without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to see what I picked up in this luxury haul, then keep watching. Okay guys, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with this item first. This is from Tiffany and Company. It's not a huge item, but it's just something little that I wanted to pick up for my coffee table. First off, can we talk about this beautiful packaging? I could just gush and go on and on about this, but I love the Tiffany boxes because I feel like they're such a nice decor piece. Okay, so it came in this box. It has Tiffany and Company wrapping. Do you guys have any guesses? It's Windows at Tiffany and Company. So it actually has the plastic covering, but it is just a little coffee table book. But I wanted to get this because you guys know that a lot of times I try to change my background up. Sometimes I'll have it like a lavender, sometimes I'll have it like a Tiffany blue, and I had seen this on the website and it was only $30, so I thought that I would pick it up. Let me open it really quick. Okay, I went ahead and I took the plastic off of it, but this is the prettiest book. So it says Windows at Tiffany and Company, and then on the inside there are like a lot of like pretty pictures and stuff, but I just thought this was the prettiest blue. So between this and the box, I don't know, like I said, it's not a huge purchase, but it was only $30, which I thought was a really, really good deal. So if you guys are on the hunt for a really pretty coffee table book, maybe check this out. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do next, let's go with Hermes. Okay, so from Hermes, this was something I have actually had my eye on for a really long time, but I was waiting for a specific color. And I kept checking online and the color just didn't come in stock. So I actually reached out to a sales associate in New York City, and they were super, super friendly, super, super helpful. Usually if you haven't purchased from a sales associate before, they won't ship it to your home. But this lady was so kind and she did ship it to my home. So I'm really excited about it. So let me stop blabbing. Let me show you. Okay, here's the packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Here is the receipt. Comes in this box right here. And I know normally I'll turn you guys over, like I'll like kind of turn the camera around, but I thought it'd be fun to do the unboxing together so you guys can see my reactions. These videos are real, true unboxings. Okay. Oh, look at that color. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, you guys. So this right here is the Hermes Calvi card holder. Let me see if it has the color. Let's see. Oh, it is the Hermes Calvi Verso card holder in Celeste. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this color. It's not quite Tiffany blue, but it's the most beautiful turquoise. Now you guys know I own the Bastia coin. I have two Bastia coin purses. One is in blue Frida, the other is in black, and I really wanted a Calvi card holder. So this is what it looks like. You can see the interior is kind of like olive color. This says Hermes Paris, made in France. I'm so excited to use this. The way I think I'm going to use it is I'm going to put my cash on one side and then maybe some cards on the other. And it's really, really thin. It's a beautiful spring color. And I don't know if you guys are aware, but these are made from like one piece of leather, which I think is really, really cool. This is just the most beautiful color. But if you're not into blues, these come in a ton of colors. They come in pinks and greens and yellows. I actually have to refrain myself and say, Amber, you do not need this in every color like the Bastia. I have two, but I'll be honest, I have been tempted to get another one. I really want a pink one, but I'm kind of waiting for the right shade of pink. But I could not resist the shade of blue, and when the sales associate said that she had it, I'm like, oh, I have to pick it up. So let me see if I have some cards. Okay, so I have a couple business cards, and I just want to kind of show you like how they would fit in here. And don't worry, you guys, I will do like dedicated videos, but I just want to show you. So you can have cards there. I'll probably fold up some cash, and then it just closes, the little snap closure. It's super cute, really compact, really convenient. It's just a nice like on-the-go wallet if you don't want to take a big bulky wallet. Just super, super cute and compact. So I was really excited to pick this up. As I stated, I've been wanting the Calvi card holder for a really long time. I was just being patient and I was waiting for the perfect color, and I think I found it because this blue is beautiful. Again, it is in the color Celeste. I'm really excited about it. So as I stated, I will definitely do a video on this, and then now that I have this one in the Bastia, I can certainly do a comparison as well. Let's go ahead. I'm just going to set everything back here as I open it. All right, now let's go for, should we do Louis Vuitton or Chanel? Let's do Chanel. We'll do Chanel. Oh my gosh. So this one, you know, there's a story for everything. I have a story for everything. Okay, so when I saw that this collection was coming out, this color was just so incredibly beautiful. So I reached out to my sales associate and I said, her name is Caitlin. I said, do you have anything in this collection in this color? And she sent me a couple options. And well, let me just open it and I'll show you. Okay, so let me take the Camilla off. I'll just put it on the box, untie it. All right, we'll just put this right here. Okay, have the box, the dust bag. I'll take it out of the dust bag. The care cards and everything. All right. And the item that I picked up is, oh, you can kind of peek the color a little bit. This card holder, oh my goodness. It is so pretty. Hold on, let me just take a second real quick to kind of look it over. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. So this is from the 21S collection. It is the Chanel 19 card holder. It is a 31 series here. And the color is light pink, and the number is NC022. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so pretty. So, oh my gosh, and it's so like smooth and soft and puffy. This is from the 21S. I don't have anything like this. I just think it's so beautiful how you have the gold logo. Oh my gosh, and I can't get over how soft and smooth this is. So you have one card holder in the front, two card holders on the back, and then there is this separate compartment, and I like it because it feels nice and flexible. I like my card holders to be flexible so that when I put things in it, I can easily access it and get things in and out. But you guys, I can't get past this color. So I had the option to get this, or I could have gotten the coin holder, which I thought was really cute, but I do already own two of those. I have it in the light blue and then the black, so I wanted to get something a little different, and I don't have anything from like the Chanel 19 collection, so I thought this color, oh my gosh, I can't get over it. It's so beautiful, you guys. I don't know if the camera is gonna pick it up, the color, or like do it justice, but it is just so gorgeous. So I picked that up from Chanel, and like I said, again, this is in the color light pink, and it is from the 21S collection. So super excited, and you'll have to excuse me if when I open things, I'm kind of like pausing at first because I'm just kind of looking it over, but it's so beautiful, and I think it's gonna be perfect for spring. So let me go ahead and plop that back there. Okay, so now let's go with Louis Vuitton. Okay, so this is from the new summer collection, and I will be honest, did I need this? No, you guys, I don't need any more small leather goods, but they just sucker me in with the colors and I can't help myself. So this is just a little something that I picked up from the collection. Okay, it comes in this little box. Okay, do you guys, obviously you can probably tell what it is. It is the, I'm taking a peek. Oh, it is the Louis Vuitton card holder. Oh my gosh. And this is, let me tell you the number. This is number M80401. It is from the summer collection, and it is in the empreinte leather. You guys, look how beautiful this is. Now I will be honest, this was a little more expensive than most of the card holders because it is in the empreinte leather, but it's so stunning. It says Louis Vuitton Paris right there. There's one card slot on the front, you can see, one card slot in the back, and then there is a spot here. This says, oh, this is made in France. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but it says made in France. But it is so beautiful, and I just love the pink colors, the different shades of pink. It's like an ombre color, but I could not resist this when I saw it. It was just so pretty. It really, really is. And I knew that I wanted to have something from this collection. I was torn if I was going to get this or the mini pochette. Now you guys know that I did recently purchase the mini pochette, which is my dream, in the Escal, from the Escal collection. So I thought, well, I just purchased that one, so I'm gonna be good. So I thought I would just get a little card holder. Now I know what you guys are thinking, Amber, why did you get essentially 3 card holders? But they're all different, you guys, they are. But you can see all of these companies are coming out with these beautiful colors, and I just can't resist, I can't help myself. But look at this. I mean, I just don't think it's gonna do it justice. It is so beautiful and gorgeous. I just wanted a little something from that collection, and I'm so happy I picked it up. Again, the number is M80401. And I'm not really going into too much detail about these items like I usually do, because otherwise this video would be so long. But I just wanted to kind of briefly show you these, and if you want me to do like dedicated reviews or comparisons, I definitely will. And you know what? There I am talking, and I'm supposed to leave all these items out so we can kind of get a good look at them. So there is that one in the back. Oh, so pretty. These are perfect for spring too. I just love the colors. Okay. The final item that I picked up was a handbag. So you guys know that I have been wanting to get a spring handbag, but I want it to be something that I'm going to use quite a bit. And this is actually, spoiler alert, this is an item I had on my wish list last year. So it's something that I knew I wanted, but I was like, do I need another one of these? I probably don't, and I might have given it away right there. You know what, let me just show you what it is. Okay, so I picked up an item from Saint Laurent, and you might be able to tell by the size of the dust bag. I'll give you a moment. Any guesses? Any guesses? No? The item I picked up is the Saint Laurent. Oh, I'm so excited. This is the raffia camera bag. Okay, so you guys know how much I love the YSL camera bag. I have it in black. I have it in the beautiful cinnamon color. So when I was gonna get like a new spring or summer bag, I wanted to know it was gonna be something I was gonna use a lot. So my style in the summer months, I wear a ton of dresses. I like to wear crossbody bags. A lot of times I gravitate towards raffia bags. So I saw this Saint Laurent bag. Again, I saw it last year and I was like, you know what? I have my eye on that, but do I need another camera bag? But then I thought to myself, you know what? I love the camera bag. You guys hear me rave about the camera bag so much, and this is different. Even though it is a camera bag, it's raffia. I don't have anything like it, but it's so beautiful. It has the YSL logo. It has the raffia material. I just think that it is going to look so cute in the summer months with dresses and skirts, and don't worry, I will try it on for you. So I had purchased this from the Neiman Marcus website. I think I shared with you guys on Instagram that they were having a gift card event, and if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do so, because whenever they have gift card events or anything like that, I try to share it to my stories. But I think with purchase, I was able to get a $150 gift card, which should be coming in a few weeks, so I'll get to put that towards something else. But this bag I'm so excited about. It comes with a little Saint Laurent tassel. Let me show you the inside. It's black leather. I'm gonna take some of this out. You can see it's just one large compartment. Let me go ahead and let me try it on for you. This is very comfortable to wear. Okay, hold on. Okay, so you can see I am about 5'3" for reference, but I just think this is so cute. And I've mentioned I love the camera bag because you see how it's like rectangular and flat. It just sits very comfortably. I can easily access my things, and I think this is just going to be perfect. So let me do like up close. You can see the pretty raffia. This is just so nice for the summer months. I just love this. And like I said, when I was thinking about like which bag to get, I definitely wanted it to be a bag I was going to use a lot, and I think I'm going to use this a ton. And let me show you what else I picked up as well to go with this. I have something that I picked up because I was like, okay, I know I'm going to wear that bag a lot, but what shoes am I going to get to go with it? I picked up some shoes. These were really inexpensive. I got them from off Saks Fifth Avenue, but I know, like I said, I know that in the summer months I wear like a lot of dresses, and I saw these. They're by Steve Madden. They are you guys know how much I love my Steve Madden sandals, but these I got them for like, I want to say they were like $40 or something like that, but they're super comfortable, but they're black. They have the studs on it. And I just thought that they would kind of pair nicely with this raffia bag. You know, I could wear a dress, I could wear a skirt with the bag. And like I said, these were super cute and they were pretty inexpensive. Again, I got them from off Saks Fifth Avenue, so I'll try to link this down below as well. These are not, I did try them on. They're not as comfortable as my other Steve Madden sandals, but I saw these and I just thought that they were cute, and I just thought that they would go nicely with this bag. So there you have it, you guys. What do you think? And you know that I'll do like an upcoming what's in my bag, and I can do reviews or anything on any of those items if you want. But let me know your thoughts. Were you surprised to see this is the bag that I picked? Were you surprised by a couple of those items? I would love to hear your thoughts. And like usual, I will try to find these items and link them down below. Obviously they would be like through Fashionphile or the Pre-Loved Market because they're kind of hard to get, but I will try to find those. And then this bag, I know this one is still available. A lot of you, when I purchased my cinnamon bag, that ended up getting sold out, but I think this one is still available, so I will link it down below. So if you guys are on the hunt for a good quality raffia bag that you know you're going to use a lot for spring and summer, definitely consider this one. It's such a cutie and it's just really different, and I know that the camera bag is a really, really great bag. So there you have it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. On Instagram, I do a lot of reels, I do comparisons, I do what's in my bags, I do outfit pics, I do it all. So make sure you're following me over there if you don't already. And I would love to know your thoughts on this luxury haul. What do you think about the items that I picked up? Did you guys pick anything up from those collections as well? If you did, what did you get? So have a good one. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video.
Wish me the best of luck.